In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically send an email when an event is changed in Google Calendar. We'll walk through this together step by step, so go ahead and open Google Calendar in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the calendar you want to manage, since these settings apply per calendar, not to all of them at once. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of your calendars. Hover your mouse over the calendar you want to use, and you'll notice 3 small vertical dots appear next to its name. These dots open the options menu for that specific calendar. Click on those 3 dots. This is where you can control things like calendar color, visibility, and most importantly for this video, access to the settings. From the menu that appears, choose Settings and Sharing. This will open a new settings page dedicated just to that calendar. If you ever feel lost, you can always check the top of the page to make sure you're editing the right calendar, especially if you manage several. Once you're in the calendar settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Other Notifications. This section controls the kinds of automatic emails that Google Calendar can send you about changes to events. Here, you'll see options for things like new events, event cancellations, and event changes. To make sure you get an email whenever an event is changed, look for the option that refers to event changes or updates. On the right side of that option, there will be a drop-down menu. Click the drop-down and select Email. By choosing Email, you're telling Google Calendar to send an automatic email notification to you whenever there's a modification to an event on this calendar. That includes changes like updated times, locations, or descriptions, depending on how Google detects the edit. After you've selected Email, the change is saved automatically. There's no separate Save button to click. You can stay on this page to adjust other notification settings if you'd like, or simply navigate back to your calendar view. From now on, whenever an event on that calendar is changed, you'll receive an email notification at the address associated with your Google account. This is especially useful if you share calendars with teammates or family members and want to be sure you never miss an update. And that's